Welcome to the fourth session of Inkjet Printer. In this lecture, we are going to study different setting levels and manual readings of Inkjet Printer. Let's have a look at different parts of an inkjet printer. In this slide, we will study about the different parts in the front view of the printer. Number 1 indicates your camera port. This port is connected to a PIC-Bridge digital camera to the printer or to enter the HP Bluetooth wireless printer adapter. You can also insert a USB flash drive and select, edit or print photos on the drive as if it were a memory card. The second is your output tray. Lift this tray to load small media to clean or front paper jams. Paper width guide. Adjust this guide to fit close to the edge of the paper in the main tray. Fourth indicates your main tray. Load plain paper, transparencies, envelopes or other media in this tray for printing. Fifth point indicates your extend the output tray. Lift the tab and pull it toward you to extend the output tray so that it receives the printed paper as it exits the printer. The sixth number indicates your paper length guide. Adjust this guide to fit close to the edge of the paper in the main tray. Number 7 indicates your photo tray. Lift the output tray to load small photo paper in the photo tray. Number 8 indicates your slider photo tray. Push the slider to fit the photo tray. Number 9 indicates your top cover. Lift this cover to access the print cartridges and the storage area and the print cartridge to clear paper jams. Number 10 indicates your screen printer. Use this screen to view photos and menu options. Number 11 indicates your memory card slots. It is used to insert memory cards. Figure 2 is of the rear view of the printer. Number 1 indicates your Ethernet port. This port is connected to the printer through a network. The number 2 indicates connecting the power cord. Use this port to connect the power cord included with the printer. Third point indicates your USB port. Use this port to connect the printer to your computer or digital camera from HP Direct Print. Number 4 indicates your rear access door. Remove this door to clear paper jams. In figure 3, we will be studying about the different control panels that can be viewed in an inkjet printer. Number 1 indicates your power button. Press this button to turn the printer or put it in power saving mode. Second indicates your save button. Press this button to save photos from a memory card to a computer. The third one indicates your HP Instant Share button. Press this button to send a photo via email or over the network. Number 4 is your Select Photos arrow. Use these arrows to scroll through photos on a memory card. Number 5 indicates Select Photos button. Use this button to select the photo or video frame displayed for printing. Number 6 indicates your Cancel button. Press this button to deselect photos, to exit a menu or pause the action requested. Number 7 indicates your Zoom button. Press this button to enter zoom mode and expand the picture displayed and to quit the display mode. Number 8 shows your menu button. Press this button to display the printer menu. Number 9 indicates your rotate button. Press this button to rotate the currently displayed photo. Number 10 indicates your OK button. Press this button to answer the questions on the printer screen to select menu options. Number 11 indicates your navigation arrows. Use these arrows to scroll through the printer menu. Position the crop box and control the speed and direction of video playback. Number 12 indicates your print button. Press this button to print selected on the inserted memory card. Number 13 shows your layout button. Press this button to select the print layout for your photos. Figure 4 shows the overview of indicator light. The number 1 is your power light. If the printer is turned on, this will be lit. If the printer is in energy saving mode, this light would be off. Your number 2 is the lights from the paper tray. This indicates whether the photo tray is engaged or not. Number 3 is your status light. If there is a green color which is static, a printer is turned on and idle. If it is off, the printer is in power save mode. If it is flashing green color, the printer is printing. If it is flashing a red color, the printer needs your attention. Number 4 indicates light print layout. It indicates the current print layout. Number 5 is your light from the memory card. If the memory card is inserted correctly, this would be lit. If it is not inserted properly, then this light would be off. If the light is blinking, the HP Instant Share is being used or information is being transmitted between a memory card and the printer or a computer. To access your user guide, do follow these instructions such as open the lid cover. If an English operator panel is installed, remove it by lifting the panel up. Snap the non-English operator panel into place. To use your inkjet printer with a PC, you can work from the front panel or from the HP Inkjet series software on your Windows desktop. The software offers more features and ease of use. For comprehensive information, see the fully searchable on-screen guide. To access the guide, go to the director, click Help and choose On-Screen Guide. The director automatically appears on your PC after you load originals into the automatic document feeder. Double-click the HP Inkjet series shortcut on the Windows desktop or in the Windows taskbar. Click Start, point to Programs, choose HP Inkjet series, then choose HP Director. In this figure, you can see the features offered by Director. The basic guide is available in printed format in the box your unit came in. See additional setup information in the HP Inkjet K series. Your basic guide in the HP Inkjet K series on-screen guide. If available, click the Help button that appears on a specific dialog box. To access troubleshooting, go to the director, click Help and then choose Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is also available via the Help button that appears on some error messages. For feature information, run the HP OfficeJet K series product tour. To access the tour, go to the director, click Help and then choose Product Tour. After the Product Tour dialog box appears, insert the HP OfficeJet K series CD into your PC CD-ROM drive and click Search. See the HP OfficeJet K series on-screen guide. Firstly, pull out the bottom tray and slide the paper width and length adjusters to the outermost position. Tap the stack on a flat surface to even the edges of the paper and then check the paper for the following. Make sure it is free of rips, dust, wrinkles and curled or bent edges, and all the paper in the stack is the same size and type, unless you are working with photo paper. Insert paper into the input tray. Print side down and letterhead or top of page first until it stops. Slide the paper width and length adjusters in until they stop at the edges of the paper, and be sure that the paper stack lies flat in the input tray and fits under the tab of the paper length adjuster. Push the input tray back in until it stops. To prevent legal or A4 size paper from possibly falling off the tray, pull out the output tray extender. Load the input tray with envelopes. If you are printing one envelope, use the envelope slot. Slide the envelope into the envelope slot located on the right side toward the back of the output tray, with the envelope flap up and on the left until it stops. If you are printing multiple envelopes, remove all paper from the input tray and then slide a stack of envelopes into the tray. With the envelope flaps up and to the left, print side down until they stop. After you have loaded paper or film in the unit, select the new paper type. Change this setting whenever you change the type of paper or film. The paper types you specify for copying are independent of the paper types you specify for printing. To do this for future print jobs, go to the director, click Settings and then choose Print Settings. The Setup tab appears. From the paper type list, choose the appropriate type and click OK. To do this for the current print job, open the document that you want to print. From the File menu, choose Print, Print Setup or Page Setup. Make sure that the selected printer is Office AK Jet series and then click Properties Options: printer setup or printer. Place the originals in the ATF with the printed side facing toward the back and with the top of the document pointing down, and adjust the document guides to fit your document. To avoid paper jams, remove papers from the output tray frequently. Output tray capacity is affected by the type of paper and the amount of ink you are using. For more information about output tray capacity, see technical information. For help with clearing of paper jams, see the troubleshooting help available through the director. Most print settings are handled by the program you are printing from or by HP's Color Smart technology. You need to change the settings manually when you change print quality. Print on specific types of paper or film or use special features such as two-sided printing. To access the guide, go to the director, click Help and choose On-Screen Guide. To start a print job, firstly load the input tray with the appropriate paper. Now from the Program's File menu, select Print. A print dialog box appears on your screen. After this, make sure that the selected printer is HP Office Jet-K series. For more information, see Select a Printer in the on-screen guide. Now click OK to begin your print job. Scanning is the process of converting text and pictures into an electronic format for your PC. You can then use the converted items for professional and personal projects. Scan text from an article you read and bring it into your word processor so you can quote it in your report. Include pictures of your product in your brochure. Put your logo onto business cards that you print yourself. You can make copies using the front panel of your unit or using your PC. All copy features are available using either method. Follow these steps to start a copy job from your unit. Firstly, load the input tray with the appropriate paper. If you are using anything other than plain paper, then press menu and then press 1 and then press 2. Now let's look at technical information. For comprehensive information, see the fully searchable on-screen guide. To access the guide, go to the director, click Help and choose On-Screen Guide. Let's have a look at power specification details such as power consumption is 50 watt maximum, source input voltage is 100 to 240 volt AC, and input frequency is 50 to 60 Hz. Current is 1A maximum. Now load your original. If you want to make some more than one copy, then press number of copies and then use the keypad to enter the number of copies. For more information, set the number of copies on the on-screen guide. Change any other applicable settings such as reduction or enlargement. Then press Start Copy, black or colored. Thank you.